Good morning, dear students. Last week we learnt about wholesale trade and retail trade and the various services offered by the wholesalers to the manufacturers as well as to the retailers. Also, we learnt about the services offered by the retailers to wholesalers and the consumers. So, now we have to learn about the types of retail trade. In your books, itinerant retailing and small scale fixed shop retailing are given, which have been deleted from the syllabus for this session. So let's begin with the fixed shop large scale retailing. Let's first start with the departmental stores. Departmental stores are large scale establishments that offer a wide variety of products. These are classified into well defined departments with each one dealing in one kind of product, and all these departments are headed by the departmental managers. The aim of departmental stores is to satisfy every customer's requirement under a single roof. They satisfy diverse market segments with a wide variety of the products. But remember, these wide variety of products are available under a single roof but segregated as different departments, headed, managed and controlled by the departmental managers who are provided salary. These departmental managers are provided salary for this purpose, for handling their own departments. For example, Shoppers Stop, as you all are, maximum of you are aware, maximum of you might have visited also. The Shoppers Stop is one of the leading departmental stores in India. It has currently 61 stores across the nation and 3 airport stores, and the latest outlet is at Omex SRK Mall in Agra. It retails a large domestic and international branded apparel and private label under the following categories: apparel, footwear, fashion jewelry, leather products, accessories and home products. These are further complemented by cafe, food, entertainment, parking space, personal care and various beauty related services. So, Shoppers Stop is an example of a departmental store. Now, let's see what are the features of departmental stores, how we'll recognize that it's a departmental store. Departmental stores provide maximum service to higher class of customers for whom the prices are of secondary importance. Now, this clearly specifies that the products are costly and they do not cater to the needs of low income group people. Rather, rich class or high income group people, they may get their needs satisfied in these types of stores. Secondly, they are located at the central place so that maximum people could visit. This is in the heart of the city, catering to a large number of customers. Departmental stores, they are usually formed as a joint stock company which are managed by the board of directors. These are headed by the managing director, who is assisted by the general manager and several departmental managers. These departmental managers, they control, they handle their own departments under a single roof and don't confuse it with a shopping mall. They combine the functions of retailing and warehousing. See, directly the purchases are done from the manufacturers, which is the work of a warehouse. Which is the work of a wholesaler. So now no wholesaler, no intermediaries between these departments. They departmental heads, they generally purchase from the manufacturer and operate separate warehouses. They have their own warehouses. They are not dependent upon the wholesalers. They also help in eliminating undesirable middlemen between the producers and the consumers. They have centralized purchasing arrangement, that is the entire purchasing of all the departments, that is done by the purchase department, by the manager of the purchase department, and then separately as per the demand of different departments, these are distributed for sale to the different departments. So centralized purchasing arrangement, that is purchasing work of the entire departmental store of all the departments. This purchasing is done by the purchase department separately. I hope the meaning and characteristics are clear. Next video we'll be learning about the advantages of departmental stores. Thank you.